Hey guys, thank you so much for joining me. You're on Wellness KE. My name is Fatma, and today I'm excited to share with you guys about urban farming. So urban farming is actually just a simple way for you to be able to grow crops or even rare animals at the comfort of your home without having any land. And this is such a huge impact on people who are trying to be healthy and to eat healthier food because they can be able to grow crops at the comfort of their home. So this is what we have here, and I'm so proud of the produce that I've managed to harvest so far from my urban farming. But later on I'll tell you guys how I even ended up starting the process because I needed some help with it. But right now I just want to take you guys through what type of crops we have here. Right now what I'm holding is the avocado. As you can see, this is the avocado seed. So this is still in its initial stage, and as I mentioned, with urban farming you actually don't need any land, and in this particular case you don't need any soil. It's just a cup with some water, the avocado seed, and I managed to just get it to this stage. Later on we'll grow it into an avocado tree, but I just wanted to show you guys this is what the initial stage looks like. If it starts to get a bit confusing, don't worry, we have someone who's an expert who is actually going to explain more about urban farming to you guys, so don't worry about that. Now what I have here is some mint. Mint is actually really beneficial to your health, and it's one of the reasons why I decided to grow some mint, and it's also one of the easiest. And it smells so good, especially if you walk into your house and it's actually at the balcony. Mint actually smells so fresh and so good. I love it so much. And look at how green it is. I've actually harvested this like twice and we're still at this stage. Something else that I have is what's close to me. This is lemongrass. Lemongrass makes I would say the most delicious tea, because I used to love other types of herbal teas, but this one is right now at the top. I love it for just how good it is. Whenever I drink it, I actually feel really calm and relaxed. Chamomile tea used to do that to me, but it would put me to sleep. This one, in a way, it just kind of opens up my vessels and makes me feel more relaxed. And I found out that actually lemongrass is really good for boosting your mood, helping with anxiety and depression. This is a really good crop to plant at the comfort of your home. This is Filipini, what we have here, this big bunch. Yes, because I cannot eat without Filipini. I love Filipini so much. I love pepper, and I managed to grow this to this stage, and I'm really proud of it. I can't wait for them to just start producing more Filipini so that I can be able to eat constantly. And I have some spinach here. We have to have some green leafy vegetables in our diet, so leafy greens are so important. I use spinach almost every other day. I love to use spinach in my diet. I love to use it in smoothies. I love to use it as a side dish. So spinach is actually very healthy for you. I'm sure you know the benefits. And also think of it this way: if you're thinking of starting your own kitchen garden, you can actually even have mchicha or terere. You can grow any other types of greens. It's very easy, and we'll learn more about Siha Organics because they can be able to help you with that. Here, the holy grail. This is green tea. Yes, green tea it's actually one of those gifts that God has put onto this earth, because it helps in detoxifying your body, it helps you with weight loss, it helps with your blood sugar levels. So many benefits that you can get from green tea. You have to take green tea constantly in your diet, especially if you figure out the benefits, you'll know why you need to take it. It's actually really healthy for you. And so what I do is I make sure that I water my plants every day, and I make sure that I check on them the same way you would check on your child, making sure that they are healthy and well. It's kind of the same thing, you just nurture them. And I discovered on Instagram you have to use the hashtag #plantmom, something like that. Yeah, because you actually are a mom to plants. I don't know. Anyways, so if you would like to try out urban farming, it's actually very simple and very easy. As you can see here, I used a bucket. Okay, it was a bucket that wasn't even that. Yeah, I just figured it's already broken. What am I going to do? I can be able to plant some crops in it. This was a jerrycan that had water, and then when it was done, they were just there at the balcony. I used them. This is just a cup. Instead of disposing, you can be able to put it into good use. So the same thing, this I've had for a while, so I managed to put it because I knew I could be able to hang, and yeah, and it actually makes everything smell so good and so fresh. So all this is very, very convenient for me because I'm able to just pick out the spinach at the comfort of my home, the mint when I'm doing my smoothies, everything very convenient, very cheap as well, because I was walked through this process by Safe of Siha Organics, who also happens to be my brother, but I trust the fact that anything that he works on or he tells me about, I'm 100% sure that it's going to be really healthy for me. So the fact that it's actually safe for me to use, it's clean, it's organic, and I know that I'm not going to put any artificial fertilizers into it. That goes a long way for me because I'm really big on my health. And also the fact that all of us need to just have that sense of just growing our own food. We need to try as hard as we can because food security is a major issue, and we want to try as hard as we can to make sure that if there is a way that you can be able to grow some tomatoes or grow some pumpkin or grow something, it's actually going to end up being beneficial to you. So we're going to post a video of an interview with Safe from Siha Organics, because that's how I ended up growing everything that you see here. They managed to walk me through with everything. I learned a lot, and I actually am really, really proud of myself where I am, and I know this can also be you. If you want to learn more about urban farming, please make sure that you check out Siha Organics, SIHA, Siha Organics, on their social media platforms, and they can be able to walk you through. They come to your place, they walk you through the process, they help you, you pick the crops or the plants that you want, and you too can have your own home garden. I hope that this video will inspire you so that you can be able to start your own journey. Thank you guys so much. So many people had asked me about how I ended up having spinach and growing it. People were talking about how I ended up, having mint for my smoothies. And I said I'm going to do a video so that I walk you guys through. I hope this was helpful. Make sure that you check out Siha Organics. Make sure that you subscribe to their YouTube channel and also follow them on social media. And in case you have any questions, please let me know. I'll see you guys next time. Bye.